Hey there, welcome to our beginner's guide on how to use the Insta360 by 3 camera for amazing 360-degree videos. First, let's get to know the camera itself. The Insta360 by 3 is a compact camera that captures high-quality 360-degree videos in stunning 5.7K resolution. It has a built-in stabilizer, which ensures your shots are smooth and steady. To start recording, simply power on the camera and press the record button. The Insta360 by 3 has 2 lenses for capturing a full 360-degree view. You can choose to record in either 360 mode or Steadicam mode, which captures a smooth wide-angle shot. To view and edit your footage, you can use the Insta360 app on your smartphone. The app allows you to adjust the viewpoint, trim the footage, and even add text and music. One of the coolest features of the Insta360 by 3 is its ability to capture tiny planet shots. This creates a spherical view that resembles a small planet. The Insta360 by 3 is great for capturing action shots, too. It comes with a waterproof case for use underwater or in wet conditions, and it can also be mounted to a tripod or selfie stick for versatility. In conclusion, the Insta360 by 3 is a versatile camera that allows you to capture immersive 360-degree videos with ease. With its built-in stabilizer and waterproof case, you can take it on all your adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on using the Insta360 by 3.